Welcome! In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and then select power off. Once the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and after a moment we will be taken to the bootloader. Oops. There we go. When the screen turned off, basically what happened is when I was letting go of the power button, it accepted start, so I started holding them again to boot me back into here. But there we go, that's our bootloader. Now using volume buttons, you can navigate through the options. So we have things like start, which take us back to Android. We have a power off option. We have camera that isn't focusing, there we go. Power off, recovery mode, restart the bootloader, which just takes us back here, and we're back to start. So in any case, I'm going to confirm this option with the power button, and like I mentioned, this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.